Hello everyone. Are you wondering how to find the low competition keyword for optimizing on your website? Alright, today I will show you how you can find the most benefit keywords that will get low competition to be ranked on search engine like Google. So first thing, we need to find the most useful keyword research tool. So there are a lot of keyword research tools out there, but today I will share with you one of my favorite keyword research tool. It is KWFinder. And you can go here kwfinder.com and you will see the screen like this. The first thing you need to do is picking up the keyword that you want to write for, or your target keywords that you wish to rank on Google, and then input here. After that, you will be able to select the location that you want this keyword to rank for. So I am going to choose United States, and then I'll click on find keywords. So now you will see the list of the keywords that are suggested by this tool. So the main thing that we focusing on is find the low competition keyword to get our content ranked fast and higher on search engines. So we need to use the filters option that this awesome tool provides us to pick only the low competition keyword that we could able to optimize in our new content creations. So now click on here, and then I want you to select here the keyword difficulty score should be 25 max, and then click set filter. After, you will see the list only the low competition keyword. As you see here, the green is meaning it's a low competition keyword. So next thing you have to do is just pick the most relevant keyword that you are it's similar to your target keyword that you want to rank for, and then try to pick as many as you can, and then you can optimize this keyword within your new content creation, and it will help your content rank fast and higher on Google. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for the next upcoming video on my channel. Thank you for watching.